Hi there, this is your friend Virendra Dear, a man on the rock, with a heart rock solid, with will, iron will, determination, a dog determination, courage, courage of Thomas Jefferson, willpower, willpower of Napoleon the Great, and desire, that of the greatest Columbus, Buddha, Christ, Copernicus. Always cherish noble ideals and noble desires, dream lofty and strive, seek and find the various ways and means to become a glorified, dignified, and spread these kind of stimulating thoughts among the millions of my friends all over the world. Beloved friends, today this talk is dedicated to my beloved mother who passed away yesterday at the age of 85, Asha Jha. She was an embodiment of courage, bravery, radiance, spiritual forces and power. You can compare her with Joan of Arc of France and Jhansi Ki Rani of India. Beloved friends, these examples stimulate your intelligence to perceive the truth I am going to tell you. That fill your mind with courage and keep your head high always. Trust yourself, believe yourself, have tremendous faith in your own path which you follow, based on truth and justice, peace, love and non-violence, and never bend before the insolvent might. Never hear anything from anybody who say you can't do it, and never tolerate what you deserve and somebody is going to deny you, because these people are prostituting the system, the organizations, the democratic, the human rights of the greats. You have to be a valiant, a brave heart, an enlightened person, and then these thoughtless, ignorant, indolent dictators, the perpetrators of all the crimes against humanity cannot win against you. Be a brave soul, be a great man. You know very well what a great poet, Rabindranath Tagore from India, who was the first Nobel laureate in literature, awarded to him in 1913 for his great work Gitanjali, composed beautiful poems in that Gitanjali. There one was, where the mind is without fear. Listen to it. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free and the world is not broken up into in fragments of narrow domestic world, where the untiring striving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear streams of reason has not lost its way into dreary deserts and of dead habits, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. Father, let my country awake. And I extend it, Almighty Father, let that spirit extend to the entire earth. Because in the modern time, the civilized society belongs to the whole planet Earth, because we have conquered and mastered time and space. Beloved friends, that should be the spirit of any dignified, glorified mankind. Never be timid, never be coward, be enlightened, know your rights and duties and responsibilities, and never shy away from fighting for the noble cause, for your own rights and the rights of the other millions who are not so privileged to have this enlightened state of mind. Beloved friends, I tell you the story of the American War of Independence. All of you are very well aware that it was George Washington who fought against Lord Cornwallis in the Battle of St. Valley and defeated him. But very few know the starting and origin of the War of the American Independence, which was led by Hancock, Lee, and Thomas Jefferson. When the British soldiers were patrolling the streets of Boston and there was shoot at sight order, then these people united and declared American Independence Act, where the 56 Braveheart signed that declaration. It was a great challenge to the British Empire. These people decided, and very bravely and valiantly decided, that it is better to die than to be slave and to accept the dictatorial hegemonistic attitude of the tyrant British who were ruling almost everywhere on this planet Earth, where the sun never set in its glorious days. Beloved friends, that courage, that determination of Thomas Jefferson, you need in your daily life to unite, to make a mastermind alliance with like-minded people who are ready to shed their blood, toil and tears for dignity of mankind, for the survival of the humanity, with honor, pride, glory, and no sacrifice is too great to protect the suffering humanity from such atrocious demon, the villain, the selfish, the greedy, who are really occupying higher positions as officers, directors, chairmen, top executives, politicians, ministers. These polluted blood, these corrupt people, they always have their own selfish axe to grind, and they always maneuver to satisfy their self. Against such demon, the united force of people like we, you, unite and fight. And if your path is truth and justice, if you follow the path of Gandhi, peace, love and non-violence, and also if you follow the path of the greats like Abraham Lincoln, to fight for the right of yours first, because your responsibility is to protect your rights, dignity, honor and pride. And once you have survived, then you have to extend this privilege to the millions who are dumb, mute and ignorant, indolent, thoughtless, because they are not so much privileged to have this honorable position of freedom. Freedom of mind, heart and soul, because in this dignified, civilized world, there is no place for hegemonistic approach. Slavery, dictatorial regime must die and leave the spirit of dignity, honor and pride and democracy. So we are the lights, we are the lamp, we are the refuge who has to fight till our full might and never stop. And we should pray, God, give me the strength to protect the rights of the poor and never to bend before the insolvent might. We'll fight, we'll give our blood, toil, tears and sweat, but we will protect our dignity, honor and pride. And if we are ready to be free, nobody can make us slave, because it is the weak soul, it is your weak mind who allow these perpetrators to become your master. If you deny them, they will surrender before you. It is your humble acceptance of slavery, of all these of tortures the perpetrators are showering on you. This is your humble and modest acceptance. Don't accept slavery. Don't accept denial of your rights, because you must live with dignity, honor and pride. In this modern civilized world, they are only the people who follow the path of truth and justice. They can survive because truth alone triumphs. Satyameva Jayate. Truth will ultimately prevail. So be a man who believes in truth. Follow the laws, rules and regulations. Be a man of personal initiative. Must have a power of will, energy, enthusiasm. A man of positive mental attitude and a man who is willing to go extra mile. Such people are very, very rare. But they are the lamp, they are the light, they are the refuge. You have to be like one. I am such a person like that. A selfless, a person who believes in the world of stainless beauty and perfect peace, dignity, honor and pride for myself and for all the 7 billion people of this earth. Come on! You may not be known to the world, but tomorrow the world will recognize you. Martin Luther King was not known. Gandhi was not known when he was born. Abraham Lincoln was not known. But their supreme sacrifice guided the path of the people who want salvation, who want freedom, who want dignity, who want honor, who want pride. Because that is life. Socrates, who died for his principles, belief and faith of freedom. Jesus Christ was crucified. All great people were misunderstood because they were the right people. The ignorant, the indolent, the thoughtless will kill you, but they cannot kill your spirit. They cannot kill your thought of purity, truth and justice. You will be living in the heart, mind and soul of the brave citizens of this world. I recite a poem from Dinkar. अंधा चकाचौंध का मारा, क्या जाने इतिहास बेचारा, साखी है उनके महिमा के, सूर्य चंद्र भूगोल खगोल, कलम आज उनकी जय बोल. Beloved friends, maybe that the history which is blind may not have place for such great people who sacrifice everything for the dignity and honor of mankind, but the sun, the moon, the earth, and all the celestial body are the witness that there was a man who wrote, Bal Gangadhar Tilak of India. Freedom is my birthright and I must have it. Lala Rajpat Rai from Punjab of India, who fought against the British and he was killed by the British. But he said, Simon, go back. India is my land. It is free. The perpetrators of the dignity, honor, and pride of mankind, get lost from India. Go back. The clarion call of freedom struggle of Mahatma Gandhi, the Quit India movement, the Dandi March, Satyagraha, civil disobedience movements. These people are our glittering light, our lamp and refuge. Follow their path, whether you are dead or alive, but you will be really guarding millions and millions whose spirit is loving freedom, dignity, honor and pride. Beloved friends, please permit me to recite one small paragraph from the great poem of great Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, Ekla Chalo Re. Because the majority of the people, they are really coward, timid, their blood is polluted. They always believe in slavery. They cannot speak the truth because they are afraid somebody can spoil their peace of mind. They will be living under slavery, but they want to just survive like beasts, animals, plants. This is very inspiring poem. Please listen. I will translate it into English. These songs are not songs. They are the nerves, sinew, and heart of this man. These are in my blood, what I am singing before you. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে, তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। যদি কেউ কথা ন কয়ে, আরে ও ভাগা কথা ন কয়ে, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয়, তবে পণ খুলে তুই মুখ ফুটে তুই মনের কথা একলা বলো রে, তবে মুখ ফুটে তুই মনের কথা একলা বলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। Brave friends, here the great poet Rabindranath Tagore is telling that all are timid cower, and you are so unfortunate that you are a brave heart, you want to do great and noble things in life, you want to fight for freedom, but the cowards are not cooperating with you. Then don't worry, you have the courage, you speak to the top of your voice and tell your truth, which can really vibrate the mind, heart and soul of the enemies, the perpetrators of crime on the humanity. Be a brave man. Never be silent. Never bend before the insolvent might. Fight. Fight for your honor, dignity and pride. And tell your truth very loudly and very clearly when nobody is coming to speak the truth. You must be a brave. You must be an example for the millions. They will emulate your path. Beloved friends, that should be our spirit. That should be our spirit. But it is only possible once you are selfless, you are living for others, you don't have any selfish axe to grind, but you believe to live, to wipe the tears from eyes of the million suffering masses. You have a heart which wants everyone to be happy, prosperous and free. Then you listen another great inspiring Hindi song. खुद गर्ज दुनिया में ये इंसान की पहचान है, जो पराई आग में जल जाए वो इंसान है। खुद गर्ज दुनिया में ये इंसान की पहचान है, जो पराई आग में जल जाए वो इंसान है। अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, तू जी ये दिल जमाने के लिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए। बाजार से जमाने के कुछ भी न हम खरीदेंगे, बाजार से जमाने के कुछ भी न हम खरीदेंगे। हाँ बेच के खुशी अपनी गौरों का गम खरीदेंगे, हाँ बेच के खुशी अपनी औरों के गम खरीदेंगे। गिरते हुओं को उठाने के लिए, गिरते हुओं को उठाने के लिए, तुझे ये दिल जमाने के लिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए। हिम्मत बुलंद है अपनी पत्थर सी जान रखते हैं, हिम्मत बुलंद है अपनी पत्थर सी जान रखते हैं। कदमों तले जमी तो क्या, कदमों तले जमी तो क्या, हम आसमान रखते हैं। कदमों तले जमी तो क्या, हम आसमान रखते हैं। बुझते दिए जलाने के लिए, बुझते दिए जलाने के लिए, तुझी ये दिल जमाने के लिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए। अपनी खुदी को जो समझा उसने खुदा को पहचाना, अपनी खुदी को जो समझा उसने खुदा को पहचाना। आज़ाद फितरतें इंसान अंदाज क्यों भुला माना, आज़ाद फितरतें इंसान अंदाज क्यों भुला माना। सर ये नहीं झुकाने के लिए, सद ये नहीं झुकाने के लिए, तुझी ये दिल जमाने के लिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए। चल आफताब लेकर चल, चल माहताब लेकर चल, चल आफताब लेकर चल, चल माहताब लेकर चल। तू अपनी एक ठोकर में, तू अपनी एक ठोकर में 100 इनकलाब लेकर चल, तू अपनी एक ठोकर में 100 इनकलाब लेकर चल। जुल्म सितम, जुल्म सितम मिटाने के लिए, जुल्म सितम मिटाने के लिए, तुझी ये दिल जमाने के लिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए। Beloved friends, those my audience who are not knowing Hindi, I will tell them that the very purpose of our life is to live a selfless, dignified, honorable life, completely dedicated towards the service of mankind, sacrifice everything for the happiness, peace and joys of others, give your blood, toil, tears and sweat for others, help the people who are helpless, lift the people who are downtrodden and who are fallen, speak their mind, their heart, make them happy and prosperous, be a light, be a lamp, kindle that lamp which is distinguishing. The hopes you are of the millions who are suffering, they are in grief and sorrow, because they are victims of that dictator, the tyranny, the torture, who are really perpetrating all crimes on humanity. They will deprive you from every opportunity. They will not give you promotion. They will take away your wealth. They will take away your peace of mind. They will pollute every system because they have their selfish end to grind. You have to be a fighter. You have to be a brave heart. And you have not to protect alone yourself. Even you have to sacrifice your life as Lincoln did to abolish the slavery. As Martin Luther King sacrificed his life for really executing that rights which Lincoln has provided to the blacks. And Gandhi shed his blood for peace, love and non-violence. And millions such examples are there. Socrates, Christ, Columbus, all these people sacrificed their life for the victory of the humanity. You have to be like one. And once you are one, nobody will forget you. History may forget you, but you will be an example. You will become the most successful person who lived for others, who died for others, who really understood the importance of freedom, dignity, honor, and pride. Even you will be a martyr, sacrificing everything for the motherland or for the suffering humanity. You will be always an example for the millions to emulate, to follow your footprints. Because lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. I summarize. You are born great. You have the power of your brain. You are living in a democratic society where human rights are very powerful, and there are a lot of organizations and protectors of human rights. There are a lot of judicial organizations, judicial systems, which is also very strong in the modern society. Anytime anybody try to snatch your right, go to these organizations, go to the court, go to the Prime Minister like Narendra Modi, who says truth alone triumphs. Go to such civil organizations which will come for your rescue. But beyond that, be lamb to yourself, be refuge to yourself, be guide to yourself. You have the supreme power. If you are ready to fight, these perpetrators will not survive, because truth will survive. And you are a truthful man. You are a man who follows peace, love and non-violence. Alone these principles of purity and thought will survive. The world will be a place of perfect peace, stainless beauty, and will dwell in harmony, tranquility, because of you. Because you are following such great spirit in your heart, mind and soul. Be selfless, be brave, be a valiant, who never dies, but just once. Hate cowardice, hate timidness, hate greed and selfishness. Kill all your negative mental attitude and fill your mind, heart and soul with positive mental attitude, purity and thought, lofty dreams of greatness and success. And your true success is the quality of your life, not the quantity, how many years, but how greatly you survive your life with dignity, honor and pride. I thank you very much. Be a brave man. Raise your voice against any kind of atrocities, hegemonistic attitude, dictator attitude. Inqilab Jindabad! Inqilab Jindabad! Inqilab Jindabad!